is he?
Mason called me.
What? Is he behind
the trailer?
Yeah, he just called me. I don't know why he would call me, but...
Okay, let's go. Let's find that trailer. Are you filming? Still? Oh, okay. I'm gonna film too. Okay. Gotta get this on footage. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you see that trailer? This is in front of stairs. Going Christina. It's not gonna work.
Where is it?
Scare us.
Which way? Okay,
Wait, where is he?
kind of worked. Sufficiently scared. Who lives there, Jade?
No one.
Uh,
Mason's here, I know he is.
Mason. There he is.
Mitchell!
Mitch, dog.
Mitch! Okay, did Mason get murdered, or? Oh, there's Mason.
Look at these.
Yeah, you guys tried to scare